Okay, so here we are again. Today I have to go a little bit fast, but and I'm not feeling really good, but well, it's okay. So today I was looking for this is not really relevant, okay? So we could have look for buys here on EU. We took it's true that we took this previous daily high, but then we took um the run equity on H1 here. So we could started looking for buys. Okay, let me take this out. Okay, so this was Raven equity on M5, and this is the breakup structure. So maybe I could have looked for a buy here, but yeah, I wasn't sure, so I didn't look for that. And then I was looking for a sell here too after taking this Raven equity on M5, but I couldn't enter. Okay, so that was EU today. Nothing at all really that I could trade. I had no trades today. And well, and here with news we had a big week. Okay. Um had well more or less a big week. And then it started going up. So here we would have looked for a sell but no breakup structure. Now GBP, here I was looking for sells from the beginning because for me, well, this was the round liquidity in H1, but I didn't really like it. So I was looking for buys to take the previous daily high, but here I didn't take it because I wasn't sure. Well, here I was looking for sells really, but then I saw this and I expected this high to be taken. Breakout obstacle to the downside and then to the upside, but I wanted to enter here, but it was my timing, but I wasn't looking at the chart. As you can see, I had this marked up and I had no engulfing candle, so nothing. And then it took the high again and started reversing. Okay. Nasdaq, we took these highs to the left. This was a rival liquidity on 5 and previous weekly high, and after this we had several moves to take this liquidity. Nothing to trade to. I have to study it, but right now nothing to trade. USDJPY. Here I still expect that this is an S&T, but maybe it's not, so I don't know. I just have to move from Raven liquidity to Raven liquidity. So today we took this Raven liquidity to the downside and I started going to the upside. I was looking for a sell here, but then after seeing that there was nothing to the left with this break to the upside, I was looking for a buy. It broke down, it took that, it reacted here as an S&T and then it went up again. So yeah, nice trade here probably. For me a little bit difficult, but it's okay. Raven liquidity on M1, and then here we have an engulfing candle. So maybe we would have had a stop loss here, depends. But maybe we would have had a stop loss and then another entry, but well, at least something like this and target, okay? But it's difficult because when there's this type of movements I don't usually enter, but well, there was nothing to the left, so it has its logic. Here I was expecting this low to be taken. We are having a lot of equal lows here, so I think at some point it's going to take this liquidity for sure, or probably. So it's true that here we have round liquidity on M5 and that we could take this high. Okay, first we could take this high and then this low, as this is the round liquidity that took this round liquidity here. Okay, so I can expect something like this, and then finally is the cat. It took this low again, another low, and maybe now it's starting to reverse. With this breakout structure, nothing to the left for now. So I was first looking for buys here, but it never broke structure or anything, so yeah, no confirmation at all. And then it took the previous daily low, and after creating all these equal lows, I was looking for a sell here, but as you can see on M1, we had this mitigation, no engulfing candle, so it would be a risky entry, and I didn't enter because of that, and because the risk reward it was not enough. And then it reversed to the upside again here. Okay, so this was my day. I hope you like it, and well, see you tomorrow.